What's up YouTube? My name is David. Today I would like to show you my device I create. You can control anything in your home, any device. Use this mic. First of all, you can see that I put that in my bag right here. So I'm connected. And first, that's the light. See the light? There's no trick. That's the remote control, for to control this light. And I want to plug it. Yes, I plug it. You see, there is no way I can trick here. Next step, I have to plug this. As you can see, the light is on. The light is on. Let's turn off. You see, I put this LED to show when it's on and off. Okay, I want to turn on the light. Off the light. You can see I turn off the light. It's still on. No tricky. You see? Yeah, I control that. You can control anything with my system. You can control your garage. You can control your car. You can control. Okay, let's put something different. We put a fan. Okay, now I want to control more device. This is the fan. You can see it's off, and I want to control both of fan with a light. How can I do it? I'm trying to plug. Wait, yeah, you can see there is no trick. I connect right here. It goes straight to my device. You can see, and I connect the light. And now I need to plug it. Let's you see, I turn on the light and that's the fan. The fan is working. That's the system about. Thank you so much. It was David, and it's part of my daily habit that I built at home, and I wanted to show you on YouTube. And thank you so much. Like my video, share if you want.